I'm Sangeeta Subhash. I am working with children basically in the field of art, creative drawing and upcycling. Upcycling, we call it another form of recycling, which has us doing something, giving an extended life to products which we generally consider as waste. We give it an extended life and try to give it maximum usage, period of usage. That's what we call upcycling. And I deal with children a lot. We conduct a lot of workshops and even with adults also. And in general, I like to talk about waste management and in nature education to children also. So I know Bala for some time now, and I'm also associated with Artral. I'm a volunteer with Sirutuli, and Artral I find is a very interesting academy to start with, because when Bala spoke to me initially about Artral, I found it a very interesting concept, like the unschooling, or very different from what we generally do, the lectures and the children listening to it. Here it's more interactive, and that is what makes it very interesting for the children. They learn without even realizing that they learn so much of so many things in the process of the discussion. So that is what I think is good about Artral here. In the process of this learning, which we actually, I wouldn't call it learning, the discussions which we have here, we try to inculcate a lot of values, plus we also try to give them the informations about what is actually happening around us and how the environment is getting deteriorated, and what are the negative things that we are facing today. And we also try to push them to create solutions for it. That is where we bring the technology in, the technical education which they also get. So they also try to find solutions to these problems which we are facing in our day-to-day lives. So that is also a process which happens in our education system here at Artral. Another thing which I would like to add is, as a parent my children come here, my children have real fun coming here, staying with all the experiments. They really try out new things, and their education, the technical education as well as the other aspects, they have a different perspective to it now, rather than what they learn from the classrooms all the time. This has given a different perspective to the way they look at things around them, and in the process they are also getting new ideas. They're also becoming more creative, I would say. That's my point of view as a parent whose kids are at Artral. Yes, and I think they definitely find their purpose, and they also find what their interest is in. They are able to stay more focused on what they are actually interested in, because we discuss about varied subjects, and this gives them it helps them choose what they actually want to do in life or want to be in life. So that way I think they've really prospered, considering the education at Artral here.